Extend Expo profile. Here's how it works. Do you have multiple profiles and want to connect them into one large lightbox? You can do that with our V-Cut connector. Each V-Cut connector from the Expo system consists of these parts: the aluminum V-Cut, the longitudinal connectors with screws, and the longitudinal connectors without screws. We recommend assembling them first, just as you see here. Here's how it works. We slide one longitudinal connector with screws and one without into the V-Cut, tighten the middle screw, and do the same on the other side. Great! And now with these two connectors, we'll move on to the assembly. We've set up this unfinished frame and now want to extend it at the top and bottom with aluminum profiles. First, we slide the connector into the existing frame and then add the extended aluminum profile. Check for a perfect fit, tighten it, and it's secure. Before we continue at the top, we attach the V-Cut connector to the aluminum profile that will be mounted. This saves us from fiddling around when we have to work overhead later. Now go ahead and set the strut to support the profile later, then insert the V-Cut connector and lock the strut in place. Once everything is adjusted and the details are right, we can tighten the screws firmly. It's important that the profile and connector are flush with each other. Small gaps along the mitre are not a problem, as they will later be hidden behind the fabric, and in this way you can extend your lightbox as much as you like. You can find more videos at PIXLIP.